Reviving an old GIF animation project and stumbled across a UGL file from Ulead GIF Animator? This legacy software is no longer in active development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and recover content from these vintage Ulead project files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening UGL files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. A UGL file is a project file created by Ulead GIF Animator 5, a legacy application for creating animated GIFs. Users encounter this file when they need to edit or resume work on an animation project, as it stores all the layers, frames, and settings before they are compiled into a final GIF file. The UGL format is a proprietary binary container designed to save the complete state of an animation project. It stores individual frames as separate objects along with layer information, timing, and transition effects. This non-destructive format allows for easy modification of project elements, which is impossible with a flattened GIF. The UGL file originated with and is formally handled by Ulead GIF Animator, developed by Ulead Systems. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows displays a basic representation, but design-specific features require advanced software. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the UGL file and click Open With. Test Ulead GIF Animator first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. Since the UGL file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, installing Ulead GIF Animator. Locate and install Ulead GIF Animator 5 if available from archived software collections. The application opens UGL files natively preserving all animation frames and effects. Run in compatibility mode for Windows XP if needed, since the software predates modern Windows versions and may require legacy environment settings. Next, converting to modern format. Open the UGL file in Ulead GIF Animator and export as GIF. Using File, then Export, then GIF Animation. The exported file plays in any modern image viewer or web browser. Import the GIF into modern animation tools like Adobe Photoshop or Aceprite for further editing and refinement. Finally, using GIF as source. If Ulead GIF Animator is unavailable, look for an exported GIF version of the same project alongside the UGL file. Open the GIF in modern animation software, which can extract individual frames for editing. This approach loses some metadata, but recovers the visual content for continued creative work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.